Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable your power folding mirrors in the 2024 Niro EV. I'm in front of me here, a Wave in Snow White Pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, this Niro EV is equipped with the power folding side mirrors. So I do have the key fob on me here, and all I have to do is walk up close to the car, and when I went within proximity with the key fob, the mirrors went and unfolded, just to kind of welcome me to the car. There is also a little light in behind the two front door handles, a little LED that lights up just to kind of, again, welcome you and just to show you where the door handle is. So if we were to go and lock the car, the mirrors are going to fold in, and if we were to hit unlock, then they're going to unfold. But let's say we have a storm coming, or there's some weather like there is now, we're expecting some ice. Maybe you don't want the mirrors to fold or unfold if you've got ice and snow built up around it. So what we're gonna do is head inside, and I'm gonna show you where we can turn that off. And now that we're inside, I did want to show you one thing. On the driver's door here, right up at the top, this is the button if you want to make the mirrors fold and unfold yourself while you're in the car. And even if we've turned off the auto folding, you can still hit that button to fold and unfold those as you need to. So now we're going to head into the 10.25-inch infotainment screen, and we're going to enter setup, either by hitting setup in the bottom right here when in the control center when your infotainment controls are showing, or we're going to swipe the home screen to the left and hit setup in the bottom right corner. And then we're going to go into vehicle, and on the left hand side here we're going to go up a bit and we're going to go into lights, and then you're going to see here welcome mirror / light. So I'm going to select that, and right now you'll see that enable on door unlock is chosen, and same with enable on driver approach. You can turn off just the enable on driver approach, or you can hit the top one and it turns off both of them. So now, whether you hit lock or unlock, or you walk up to the vehicle after being away from it for a bit, it's not going to fold or unfold. I'm going to step outside and we'll take a quick look at that. And now that we're back outside, so the vehicle is off. If I were to go hit the lock button, now you're going to see the lights will flash to let us know we've locked it, but the mirrors are not folding in. So now they won't do anything until we go back into the infotainment screen and reselect having them do it either on the driver approach or when we hit lock or unlock on the key fob. So it's personal preference on if you want to do that. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.